Hi everyone, and welcome to Island Block. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you how to trade on KoffeeSwap Exchange. Now KoffeeSwap Exchange is the first decentralized exchange built on the KuCoin Community Chain. Now in a previous video, I showed you how to set up your MetaMask wallet so that you can integrate the KuCoin Community Chain, and also how to deposit KCS, which is KuCoin token, on your MetaMask wallet. Now to trade on KoffeeSwap, you would need to have KCS in your wallet, your MetaMask wallet, because you will be using KCS to trade on KoffeeSwap. So after you have successfully set up your wallet network, which you have to go to settings and networks to add a network and set up with the following parameters, and then you have successfully withdrawn from your account, from your KuCoin account, and deposited straight to your MetaMask account. The next thing you have to do is you head over to KoffeeSwap, which is just the first exchange. This is not the only exchange. I'll do another video where I'll explain how to use KuSwap. So you head over to KoffeeSwap, and now in KoffeeSwap there are three major sections. There's a pro section. Now the benefit of the pro section is you can see charts. So if you'd like to select a token, you will just come over here, click on select token, and you look for the token you would like to interact with. Now let's say you don't find a token, or all you have is the contract address. You can just paste the contract address, then the token comes out, you click on it, and the chart will automatically load. So this way you can see the charts, which is one of the major benefits of KoffeeSwap. You can see the chart. You can also see recent buy transactions, recent transaction histories, and there's a buy order at the left, which is the buy section where you can buy, and then the sell section by the there's a buy section by the left, yes, and the sell section by the right. So now there's also the basic screen. Now the basic screen is something like PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Here, very straightforward. You just come over here, enter what you would like to swap from, which is KCS or any other coin. Then select the token you would like to swap to, let's say KURE, and then I enter the amount I would like to buy. It just comes, and then I can automatically complete my transaction. Very simple and very fast. Now the third section is the expert section. Now the expert section is also like the basic section, but the major difference is here you can directly change the slippage, the deadline, which is the maximum transaction time, and confirmation, multi-trops. You can just select on, you can toggle on or off these features. So I know many people might prefer to use the pro section, so let me just explain how to trade using the pro section. So now once you've successfully deposited KCS into your MetaMask account after setting up the KuCoin Community Chain or your MetaMask account, and you have deposited KCS from your KuCoin account, then the next thing you have to do is you come over to the KoffeeSwap Exchange, and then over here you see Connect Wallet. Select MetaMask. Then I select the wallet I would like to connect to KoffeeSwap. Over here I don't have KCS, so I'll just select this one, click next, and connect my wallet. So now that I've successfully connected my wallet, my KCS balance is showing here. Now the next step will be to buy the coin I would like to buy. So I head over to this section, then this is where I input how many KCS I would like to spend. So firstly, I would select the token, which is the coin I would like to buy. So like I mentioned earlier on, when you want to select the coin you would like to buy, you can either paste the contract address in case the coin is not here, or if the coin is here already, you can just select it. So let's say I would like to buy Koffee, which is the token for this exchange, KoffeeSwap, the same way we have cake for PancakeSwap. Now I enter the amount of KCS I would like to spend here. Let's say I would like to spend 1 KCS, and then over here it will show me the amount of coffee I will get for this exchange. Now, like I said earlier on, this is a chart, so you can check the chart and see how this particular coin is performing. So I enter the amount of KCS I would like to spend, 1 KCS, and then they're telling me I'll get 1.23 coffee. Then I click buy. Now as I click buy, the MetaMask notification pops up. I confirm the transaction, and in a few seconds the transaction will be completed. So now I can see here that this transaction is pending. Confirmed transaction. So now if I view this transaction on the KCC scan, which is the KuCoin Community Chain scan, I can see what I spent in fees. As you can see, it is very negligible, very small fees, and I swapped 1 KCS for 1 coffee. Now the same thing too, if I would like to sell, I can always come to this section over here, enter the amount of coin I would like to sell. Now in this case, I would like to sell coffee, so 100%, and then I click approve. So once I approve, the MetaMask notification pops up. I confirm, and then 1 pending. The transaction has been confirmed, and then I can now proceed to sell the coffee for KCS. Confirmed. So transaction has now completed. So if I refresh this page, or I just wait for a while, I will see that my balance, my KCS balance, would now automatically be updated, and I will no longer have coffee which I sold. I can still check the scan to see what I paid for in fees, very negligible. And once I head over to my KoffeeSwap account, I can see that my balance has now updated, and I no longer have the coffee coin which I just sold. So now, in case you want to trade using the basic side, now this is the pro, like I said. So in the pro section, you get to see the charts. But in case you want to trade using the basic section, you head over to the basic and you just enter the token you would like to swap for. Let's say coffee. Enter the amount of KCS you would like to swap. Let's say 1. Then I click swap, confirm swap. Now it's waiting for confirmation. I would confirm, and voila, it's that easy, it's that fast. Let me add coffee to MetaMask so I can always see it in my wallet. It's that easy, it's that fast and simple to use. The same thing also goes for the expert section. Now, like I said earlier on, the only difference is that here you can directly adjust the slippage, which is the price fluctuation tolerance. I can also update the deadline, which is how long the transaction can take before I, terminate the transaction. And, I can also enable or disable confirmation and multi-drops. Now, thank you so much for watching. Do have an awesome time. Bye-bye.